this turned out. Okay, I used these here, plus a water brush, and I must say they're amazing just for drawing without water. How do you even spell? How do you even say Arteza? Arteza?
Should I Google it?
Arteza?
Very fast.
I don't know, but
Arteza.
What do other people say?
It's nicht weg. Los geht's.
Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to do a tiny little review of the Arteza art supply.
Arteza?
Arteza.
Let's go with Arteza. So, hey everyone.
Hello.
We got some new art supplies from Arteza.
Yes. And it looks like this.
Yeah. These are the Arteza Watercolor Pencils. So we're excited to try them out. Arteza sent this to us. I mean, if you are guys going to buy this through the affiliate link, we are going to get a commission of it, you know, which supports us and what we do, so we can make more of this stuff for free for you.
Gonna make a review of it.
Exactly. I'm gonna try it out and tell you guys what we think about it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check it out.
Gasper, any final thoughts?
Yeah, so this turned out. Okay, I used these here, plus a water brush. I enjoyed drawing with them even without applying the water. I must say, when I applied the water, I don't know if it's the paper, but it didn't, let's say, smudge or spread that well, as I would expect. But I almost had a feeling I, would need to use water anyway. So far, so good. Yeah, I will keep on using them. And if you want to get them, you can also get them through the link in the description. We get a small commission out of that, so you're supporting us as well at the same time. Keep on drawing and see you next time.